Friends, welcome to my channel Unity Guide, and today in this video I will solve this simple Pyraminx Rubik's Cube. So this is very easy and very interesting Rubik's Cube, and we can solve this cube within 2 or 3 steps. Before scrambling this cube, first I will introduce this cube. So in this simple Pyraminx Rubik's Cube we have 3 sticker pieces. So these are our corners. In every side we can see we have these 3 sticker pieces. So these are our corners, and also in this cube we have these 2 sticker pieces. So these are our edges, and we can consider these pieces. So these are our centers. Okay, now we can see this is our corner, these are our edges, and these are our centers. And in this Pyraminx Rubik's Cube, this is our right side, and also in this cube this is our left side. This is our U, and also we can say this is our top. So now I will scramble this cube, and then I will show that how we can solve this cube. So this is very interesting and very easy puzzle. Okay, so I have scrambled this cube. Now I will start to solve this cube. Our first step, we will find 3 common colors. For example, if I check our these 3 corners, so we have green common color, because in these 3 corners we have available green. Similar, we can select any other side. Okay, so if I select this side, so we can see we have common color. So this is maroon, and we can see this is our common color. Similar, in this side we have black, so this is our common. So our first step, we will find any common color. For example, if I start our cube from this position, so we have available green in these 3 corners. So this step we have completed. Now our next step, we will match our these 3 centers. I mean, in this position we need green center, in this position we need green, and also in this position we need green. So we will select any one corner. If I select this corner, so we can see we have available green on this position. So just rotate this corner and bring this layer up. So this is fixed. If I select this corner, so we have available green. So just rotate this corner and bring it up. This is also done. And similar, in this side, if I check, so we have also fixed this center. It's mean we have complete our this step. I mean, we have find 3 common color, and also we have matched these 3 centers. Now our next step, we will match 3 green edges, and we will complete our green portion. We will place cube like that. I mean, we will place this green color in this bottom side, and now we will find our green sticker from this top side. For example, in this edge piece we have available green, also in this green edge piece we have available green. So we can select any one. If I select this, so there is green, there is orange. So our second color is orange. It's mean first we will match orange with orange. So rotate this top layer like that, and we can see we have matched orange with orange. Now we can see our color is matching from left side. So just this right side we will bring it up, then match this piece on its original position and bring it down. So this is done. Similar, in this position we need green and red. So this is our green and red piece. So first we will match red with red, then we will bring this right layer up, match with this and bring it down. This is also done. We need green and black. This is our green and black, and in this time we can see our black is matching from right side. It's mean we will bring this left side up, match with this and bring it down. and we can see we have solved our bottom and we have solved our first layer. And now we will just solve our this top layer. When we solve this top layer, our first step, we will focus on these edges. I mean, this is red and orange, this is black and red, this is orange and black. We will just focus on these edges. For example, this is black and orange. We will place black and orange on its position. So we can see this is not matching properly. Black we need on this position, orange we need on this side. If I check this edge piece, so this is matching properly. And if I check this third edge piece, so this is also rotated. When we find this kind of situation, sometimes we can find all three edges on its position properly, but in this case we can see our only one edge piece is matching on its position properly. So when we find this kind of situation, I mean our two edge piece, we can see they are rotated and only one edge piece is matching on its original position. So we will place this matching edge piece in this back side, and from this position we will apply algorithm and we will place our all three edge pieces on its position properly. So we will hold like that and apply right down, right up, left up, and now we will turn cube in this position and we will continue our algorithm right up, U invert, right down, and then U, and again we will rotate in this side. So we have complete algorithm and we can see our all three edge pieces we have matched on its position properly. So this step we have complete, and now our next step we will match our these centers. I mean this is orange, so we will match orange with orange, red with red, black with black, and now we will just focus on these edges. If I check this edge piece, so this is red and orange, we need to fix on this position. This is orange and black, we need to fix on this side. This is black and red, we need to fix on this side. I mean our all three edge piece we need to rotate clockwise. I mean we can see if I rotate these three edge piece clockwise, so we can match on its position properly. So this is our first case. In this case we need to rotate our these edge piece clockwise. First we will match our centers and then we will check our edges. When we need to rotate our edges clockwise, so we will apply clockwise algorithm. So our clockwise algorithm is R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, and we can see our cube is solved. Now I will introduce and I will show second case. So this is our second case. First we will match our centers on its position and then we will check our edges. This is yellow and blue. We need yellow and blue on this position. This is yellow and pink. We need yellow and pink on this position. This is pink and blue. We need pink and blue on this position. In this time our these edges we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So when we find this kind of situation, I mean we need our edges anti-clockwise, so we will apply anti-clockwise algorithm. So our anti-clockwise algorithm is R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, and we can see our cube is done. I can show once again in this cube. So this is yellow and green, we need to fix on this side. This is green and blue, we need to fix on this side. This blue yellow we need to fix on this side. I mean these three edge piece we need to rotate clockwise. So we will apply clockwise algorithm R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, and this is done. And if I check our these edge pieces, so this is blue green, we need to fix on this side, this yellow green we need to fix on this side, yellow blue we need to fix on this side. For its mean we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So when we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so we will apply algorithm R U R prime U R U and then R prime, and our Pyraminx cube will be solved. So very simple and very easy Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube very easily.